Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete the repair. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Begin the installation by first locating the push pin. Then, with a small screwdriver, push the pin in and pull on the ignition cylinder. Cylinder should slide right out. Complete the installation by turning the new cylinder to the run position and push it into the port until it clicks.